Aloha, my name is Lunue. I work at Aulani, a Disney resort and spa. Well, I've been with Disney almost about 6 years now. My journey has been one of the best experiences you can ever get. The joy that I have just being able to meet with the guests and just being part of their vacation is the best experience you can ever get. And I totally enjoy just being around Aulani because Aulani is all about family. And everything that they do is to take care of that guest, take care of you as a cast member and as a guest. And you just get the experience of so much joy and so much love that you really appreciate the opportunity when you can come back again. They have moved me up so many places. I'm so excited. You go from one area, they invite you to do another area, and the joy that you have with Disney, with Aulani, I can just number it. Having the privilege to work with the management, especially a lot of times they ask you your opinion on different situations that may happen within the park, and they want your opinion, and they want to hear what you have to say. So all those things help you to grow. My growth is going as far as I can, and so far I've been having a blast. Our goal is to make sure that our guests make sure that they feel like they're with family. And I want to make sure my family has a seat. I want to make sure my family has a towel. I want to make sure my family, if they need something, I want to make sure my family's taken care of. And that's where I've been the whole 6 years I've been here, is to make sure I take care of my family. Hey, it's a privilege to work here at Disney. And being part of this Aulani family is like nothing else you would ever experience.